welcome to Tonic Studios. Today we're going to share with you the Eternal Love lantern set. Today I'm here with Leo.
Hi.
Hello. And we're going to share with you the Eternal Lantern die set.
So this is our brand new showcase.
How adorable is this?
Oh, it is. It is really, really lovely. Very much inspired by, I think, like table centerpieces.
Yes.
Think hurricane lanterns.
Yes. We're going into that season now, aren't we? Mm-hmm. Where you want your home lit up with all pretty lights. You want that ambience in your house,
you really
don't
do.
you?
You really do.
Beautiful gift to give for Christmas. Mm-hmm. But you'll see by the patterns now, there are some beautiful ones for special days.
There are indeed. Shall we look at the dies?
I'm just going to say the same thing.
So here is your die set. Try and get it on here now. Like I said, it is a showcase, so of course you are also going to get your wallet and your magnet for it to go straight into your die storage case. So here is your die set. You can see we've got a couple of different options for this lantern as well. It can have this nice bevel top, it can have a flat top, it can have one drawer, it can have two drawers, it can have no drawers. You can make it your own.
Up to you,
basically.
Entirely up to you.
There's a couple more you can see slightly differently on the back, and we'll just not talk about that one though. So, as always, full instructions
for you as well.
We do. Full instructions on the inside. Look, this is so big, I can't even quite get it all onto camera, but there you go. So, any which way you want to make this, there are instructions in here that are going to cover that for you. And then this is your die set. Now you can see, we're very zoomed in. I know, maybe I should have zoomed this out a little bit today. There are a lot of dies on here. There is not a single bit of space left on this die set.
Full, isn't it?
We have absolutely packed this for you. So obviously you've got all of the pieces for construction. There's lots of lovely deboss details on this as well. So you've got deboss around some of your tags.
Oh, I like those. I think they're beautiful.
So this is a tag. You've got two little images that can sit in here. So I don't know if you can quite catch these on camera. You've got sort of a profile of a man and a profile of a woman. They're on the tags if anyone has got them. I think it's
that one.
That one's got the woman. Let me see if we can get these to show on here. If I just hold this like this, hopefully you can see these little tags. And you've got this debossed profile on here. So like we said, special occasions, these definitely have a wedding kind of vibe. They do.
But it could be a graduation.
Could be. Any occasion when you're in a tux or a fancy dress, really.
Yes.
Although probably don't wear a veil with all of your fancy dresses, but yeah.
No, but that could be flowers in your hair as well, couldn't it?
Could be, absolutely. So you've got that in the tag.
I don't know why May Day came to mind then.
Oh, with your floral crowns?
Yeah. Nice. I don't know why.
Because the flowers in your hair, probably.
Possibly.
We've got some deboss sentiments in here. So we've got Mr. and Mrs. They're all separate, so you can choose any configuration of those that you need.
Which is good.
It is. And Eternal Love we've got up here. You've got Celebrate With Us. And then you've got your large panels. So again, you've got that same silhouette. So a more masculine profile and a more feminine one. Again, there is, you know, the flowers, the veil.
Yeah.
But you could style it into something else.
But you've also got a plain panel.
You have.
So you choose. Doesn't have to be wedding themed. Doesn't have to be feminine or masculine.
Nope.
It could just be very generic.
It could. You've got a couple of little flowers on here to decorate it. We've got a heart with a lovely, again, deboss on the inside of that as well. Lots of options for your drawers and for the tops. I love the details on this, like the little top handle, so you could put a ring through it and so on. If we show you some of the samples, I think a lot of this die set is going to make a lot more sense than looking at it like this. So let's put this back out of the way. Shall we start with the generic one, which is up there?
Yes.
So you can just see the lantern. as it is with a lovely little tea light flickering away in there.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
So this one has all been cut in. It's been lined then with acetate just to give it that little bit of extra structure. Because obviously when you cut in, you're taking away a lot of your cardstock.
Yes, you are. You are. And it's got the little drawer at the base. So you could keep a spare tea light in there.
You could. If you were doing these as centerpieces, they could have, you can even put maybe some potpourri in there. So
that would be
it was in the
lovely.
middle of whatever table it might be. It could be your Christmas table, it could be your Thanksgiving table, it could be at the wedding.
It could be a little foil dish as well with, I'm thinking of cotton wool with some aromatherapy oils
Oh,
on.
some essential oils on it. Yeah, that would be nice.
That would be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Because you could even cut
in
in to this, so you've got some holes in here
yes,
for the
you can. Yeah.
whatever smellies you've decided to put in there to come out.
I like that idea.
See, we're full of good ideas today. So that is your very generic pattern. It just is kind of, it's not even a lattice, is it?
It's not. It's almost like a crazy paving, isn't it?
It is. It is. But it's really lovely.
It's pretty. It is pretty.
And of course then you can dress it up any way you want. But then from there we go into...
Which is the one? Oh, that's... Oh, I don't know whether you're going to see it. You may be better with that
Try
one.
with this one. We've got a very highly contrasted one here that hopefully you're going to see a lot better. So if I start with this here, you can see we've got the more masculine profile on the front. It's really hard for me to see because the camera is right in front of where I'm looking. So there we go. Hopefully you can now see what we're seeing. We've got tea light in here as well. So this one has been done just with black cardstock with a little bit of white. Hopefully you can just see at the top, and then vellum on the inside so you get that lovely glow.
I love using vellum like this.
If I turn it around, hopefully you can then see a sort of more feminine profile going on there as well.
So pretty, isn't it?
You've got another drawer in this one at the bottom with a nice little, so you've got a cardstock handle that you can use.
Yes.
You've got on the top, let me just, I'm at the wrong angle to push that back in. On the top, you've got this lovely little, I'm going to have to show it on the big camera because it's too tall for the close-up. You've got this lovely little detail that has a hole all the way through it. So it could have like a ring through it, like a classic hurricane lantern.
Or a
this
ribbon.
one's got a ribbon through it, so this one has that lovely little deboss tag on there.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
But yes, you could
this
put
has
a ring. Very nice.
And they will hang up as well.
You could have these hanging, maybe in the garden in summer. If you're having a garden party, you could have some hung up with little tea lights in.
The lid of this one is magneted as well.
Oh, clever. Yeah, we didn't even talk about that, how you get into it. So, magnets on this.
Yes.
Both sides?
3 sides, I have a feeling.
Oh, because of the hinge.
Yes.
Yeah, that would make sense.
Yeah.
So yes, you've got... Ooh. So Vicky did this one for us.
Yes, she did.
So yeah, we've got... Let me show it on this camera. Maybe that makes more sense. So you can go all the way in so you can see the lights in there. Sorry, we're revealing the magic here, aren't we? So you can go in from the top. This one has that lovely beveled lid as well. And hopefully you can just see... I don't know if I can get these on camera. The little deboss.
Oh, maybe the deboss will show better on one of these.
Yeah, yes. Love that.
Can you see the deboss pattern on there? That is beautiful.
You can also, does this one have, so you can make it so the drawer is either enclosed like this one is. So when I pull this drawer out, it's still solid at the back. But on this one, it goes all the way through. So you can see, you can leave it open. You could even leave it open if you wanted to.
Yes, you can.
You've got that drawer option in there.
But the other option for the closure, there's a little slot. Can you see it there? We've rolled up some paper. I can't remember. I think this is Japanese, isn't it?
Yes, this one is.
So she's rolled up a tiny... Is it paper or
it's a piece of the
it is paper.
sugared lilac cardstock, isn't it?
I wasn't sure if it was a coloured skewer.
Oh, a cocktail stick or something.
Yeah. That would do exactly the same. So that gives you a little slot. So you push that in and it will open again. So when you put it back,
it goes on the inside.
It goes on the inside.
So it's a nice neat finish. I really like that.
But it does pop into the hole and then you have to grab it.
Which is sometimes easier done with a pokey tool. Here we go. I've got him. Boop.
There we are. And then your little stick will pop back in. It will. It definitely will. There we are. Just needs holding. Oh, come on.
While you're doing that, let me show this one. So I have another one here. So this one has the flat lid. I'm going to again show it on this. It's too, we've zoomed in too far on everything today.
Oh, bless.
So we've got a flat lid on this one, and we've got 2 drawers on the front this time. So I'll show you the drawers up close. So these have the little rings. So instead of having that cardstock handle across the front, we've got the little, I don't know what you'd call these, blocks.
Yes.
Ring blocks, I guess.
Yeah.
And then we've just put, these are binder rings that you can get, I think we got ours from Amazon. So yes, they're readily available. And then this one, the drawers again go all the way through. So we've got a hollow back on there, so it's just more of a sleeve rather than an actual full piece. And the opening for this one again is exactly the same as the one we've just showed you. We've got a little ribbon that is just through that piece. I'm not going to undo this because I'll never
you can
get it
either
back.
have a tie, a stick, obviously like we said, a piece of skewer, anything you fancy. If you've got a little twig from the garden, you could pop that through. Twine.
You could use like some floral wire or something and do a little twist that maybe has something on it.
Yes,
so
you could.
Lots of options for that. And I love the little flat lid as well. I think it gives it a very different look. Slightly more modern. Very, very nice.
What else have we got then?
So a couple of people have used some of these on card fronts as well. So again, we always say this, have a look at your dies and see
always look
what
at
else
your dies.
you can do. So this one is from Christine. So what she's done here, and she does have a tutorial on this, so you can go and have a look at her channel and she'll show you exactly how she's done it. That is Crafty Potential on YouTube. But she's actually used those nice big silhouette panels, so hopefully you can just see those on there. And she's die embossed them onto some mirror cardstock. And then it just says at the bottom, celebrate with us. So for your invites.
Yes.
That would be a brilliant idea, wouldn't it?
I can see these on the centre of all the tables with gorgeous little candles in them.
Very much
giving
so.
that beautiful ambience.
Exactly. Now Ruth has also done another card here. So again, she's using that kind of more feminine profile on this one. And she's added, so these are some other dies from her stash. These is from the Screened Flourish layering dies. So if you've got a nice layer that you want to put around the outside, you can do. And this one, she's actually cut the silhouette into the card. And then if I just open this up so you can see the workings on the inside, she's then lined it with the gold. And then obviously to finish this off, you would just add another layer inside here to hide this piece on the inside. But that would be another lovely card, a great wedding card for someone, or an engagement card, or a hen party.
I think so.
Very nice.
This is another one from Christine, and she's also got a tutorial on this one as well. So again, she's embossed it. I think she's used, I want to say glacier paste. That's what it looks like to me.
And maybe a bit of sparkle spray or mica mist
possibly.
over the top.
Watch the
Something along those
tutorial.
lines. Yeah, exactly.
and
She'll
she
show you
will tell
exactly
you.
how she's done.
We can guess. Christine can tell you.
Exactly. I think she loves it when we try and guess what she's done.
She does. She does. But then she's looked at all the other shapes in the set as well. And never forget those, because they can make a funky card as well. Because I think that's quite cute.
It is. And again, it's just something... You know, there are a lot of dies. We always give you a lot of dies in your die sets. Obviously, they make the main thing that the die set is there for. But there are so many shapes in there that you can use to make other things as well.
Very much so.
So don't only see it as a lantern. Have a look and see what else you see in there as well. So that is our brand new showcase. So it's the Eternal Love Lantern. Now what we didn't say, and probably I need to bring back in this one here, you might notice on the front of this one, there's a little panel that you haven't seen on the die set. Now this is a little bit of a sneaky peek, a little bit of a surprise for you. So your Creator Make this month, which will be out at the towards the end of the month, I think it's actually on the last day of the month
Oh.
for this one, actually coordinates with this set. They have been designed to work together. If you buy your showcase now, you'll get a sneak peek because it is on the packaging. You will see what it makes, but the panels will work and cross-pollinate across the two.
Yes,
so
they will.
that's something to look out for later on this month as well. So these are available now for you on our website, so go and grab one for yourself.
And have a play.
Mm-hmm.
But don't forget,
Tag us in your makes.
because we want to see what you're creating. Our fabulous design team design all these dies, but they can't factor in your ingenuity and your ideas. So please share your makes with us on our website, on our Facebook page, sorry. That is
The Tonic Studios official Facebook group.
There we are. I'm glad you said that. You can pay by PayPal, ShopPay and ClearPay if you want to spread out the payments. As we say, it's available now on the website. If you're a member of our Craft Kit Club, then you can have your TCK code, which will give you 10% off this product.
Which is amazing.
It is. Off a brand new product, you get 10%.
Exactly.
So that is wonderful.
It is. Thank you very much for joining us. We hope you have enjoyed this. If you have, give us a little thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ding!
And you'll be notified every time you post a new video and when we go live. We'll see you all again very soon.
Happy crafting!